Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Atos from started their hiring for 2022 batch, and next one will be Hitachi Ventara started their off-campus for hiring role for freshers student. I am going to explain completely, so watch the video till end. For now, just subscribe to my channel, just subscribe, then only you may get a more update from my channel. So let's go to the channel. And Atos eligibility role 2022 full-time graduate only for recognized university they are mentioning here. Courses stream BE, BTech, Computer Science, Information Technology, BSc, CS, IT, PCM, Bachelor in Computer Science, BSc, MCA, and aggregate minimum 60%, 10th, 12th, UG, PG, no active backlog, 1 year education should not be there, online mode, properties could written and verbal, and flexible job 24/7, job location Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Tirunelveli. Atos is the right form of reclusion. This is what they're hiring from Atos company. And next one will be Hitachi Ventara off campus for BE, BTech, CS 2022 posted. Salary package 5 LPA they are mentioning here. So don't forget to apply 5 LPA 24th July onwards. Student should apply for online test will be July 5. Technical enter July 7, pre-required site, ASS or low certificate they are providing, and compensation 5 LP 5% will include, qualification BTech 70% through the academy, education gap should not be there 2 years more than, student with backlog not eligible, willing to relocate Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore office if required, strong coding, programming and analytic role, please start the Excel sheet to attend. And you just want to fill your registration university number, just filling randomly, and candidate full name which is located in your 10th 12th mark sheet, and your date of birth, gender you just want to click here, like this, your current location you just want to mention Kerala, candidate current state I am randomly mentioning, you just fill it, don't put 91, you should not keep like this, just go with this direct number they are mentioning like this only, your email ID and your 10th percentage should be the like this, don't keep, you should not keep this also, just the 89 just want to mention, year of passing 2016 or 2015, and 12th percentage same like 76, and your year of passing will be 2016 like this. If diploma, if not there means give NA, college name fully, university obligated, own university means own university, and which is your university name you just want to keep, and graduation B you should give with CGPR aggregate until last semester which you are getting result you just want to give, specialization CSIT, year of passing 2022, break in academics no, if there means yes, total history of a year nil, and then submit the form. This is all about the company from Hitachi Ventara off campus, and this is from Atos Technologies. So both companies started their hiring for CSIT, so apply as much quickly for Atos BSc and MCA, but in Hitachi only BE BTech. So just to forward this video, it will be helpful for you to your friends or your families, those who are looking for a good IT MNC, they can apply here. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.